Hello, I'm Chris Wright and I'm here with TASCAM at Barcelona ISE 2024. I would like to show you our Sonicview amazing mixing console. This is not just a mixing console, it's also got a 32-track recorder card in it. So you can record live, you can record in studio forms. The Sonicview 24 has 24 faders, motorized faders. You can set up with multiple layers, and it's got full touchscreen capability for all of the screens. You can modify things with the faders, the rotary coders. You can change your faders to modify your buses. It's got 22 built-in flexible buses, and the Sonicview 24 has 24 mic line inputs with 32-bit A to D, extremely high quality preamps, or HDIA preamps, which is a instrumentation architecture preamp, and an amazing input headroom up to plus 32 dBu. Each of the channel strips has a full gate, compressor, 4-band parametric and shelving EQ, delay, and up to 22 aux sends, plus 4 effects sends, and there are 4 effects processors inbuilt in the unit, and you can select from a selection of different inbuilt effects. So it's also got a multi-track recorder, and here is the screen showing the multi-track recorder. You can record in studio mode, you can record in, or you can use it to play back for a virtual sound check if the musicians haven't yet arrived and you've got their tracks all individually. And you can use it in studio mode where you can overdub and punch in, punch out like a traditional recorder that we've been involved with making for years and years. It also comes with an app that runs on iPad, it runs on Mac, it runs on PC, and you can control things directly from here as well. So you can control anything, the same functions as you have on the console. So I can put the recorder up here if I want. Let's just go to the recorder, and that's playing the same as on the console, as you see here. Let's put that home. Along with this Sonicview console, it's got built-in Dante, primary, so redundant Dante built in, plus 2 expansion card slots where you can have additional connections like additional Dante, MADI, ASEBU, and more analog connections. But we've also got a Dante connected stage box called the TASCAM SB-16d that has exactly the same remote controllable mic preamps with 32-bit A to Ds and plus 32 dBu headroom as are in the console. And if you connect this just with a single network cable to the console, to the Sonicview, you can control the preamps from the Sonicview in the same way as you control the internal inputs. But it also comes with an app that runs again on Mac, PC, and iPad, so that you can adjust it and use this I/O stage unit with any other Dante system. So it's got 16 inputs and 16 outputs. It's also got redundant power, so it's got two 20 volts or 110 volts if in the US, and it's also got a DC power input. So these are part of a range including the Sonicview 16, which has just 16 faders, but has exactly the same capability inside. And one of the core attributes of this mixing engine is that it's all running at 96 kilohertz. It's got 56-bit floating point FPGA processed into digital out latency of just 2 samples at 96 kilohertz, extremely low. And analog in to analog out is just half a millisecond. So this is at the top of its class of that kind of function. Something you need for live events where you're using in-ear monitors, so that you don't really want delay for what the performers are doing to what they're hearing. So these have launched a year ago in Europe, just at ISE last year, and they've become very successful in all kinds of applications, very versatile product. So thank you very much, and you can find more information on www.tascam.eu.